What do you do when you're confronted by the most hated type of people on the planet? Yes, I'm talking about Karen. Hello everyone, and today we'll be taking a look at Karens in their natural habitat, and a few people that gave them what was coming. Sit back, relax, and let's jump right into it. This video is a little weird. An outrageous brawl. For some reason this guy itches all over and he's drunk. He gets angry and taunts the biker. Of course the biker gives him a little lesson.
Take the phone and throw it. Don't hand it to me, man. Get out of here.
Right, but show me. No. Show me how to whip it, bro.
Yo, stop touching my bike, man.
Stop. Come on.
No. You want to catch one or what? You ain't worth it.
This video looks just like a horror movie. How would you react to someone attacking you with a big axe in hand? Luckily, it's just an angry man and a small stick. No matter how dangerous the roads are, sometimes funny events can happen. Like a fight that started out of nowhere. In this video you see a discussion that we cannot understand. Older men become much more angry in this situation. Let's see.
Yeah, go on. You wanker. Who are you talking to? I said go.
Mate, don't tell me to go on. Go on.
You mugger. I'll smash your car up. You wanker. Go on, I'll smash your car up. Yeah?
I'll do it.
Yeah?
Do it then.
You mug.
Yeah.
You wanker. Brother.
I want everyone to agree on this. Driving a motorcycle is really dangerous. Unfortunately, the reason why it is so dangerous is the other drivers on the road. If you don't check the road well when opening the car door, you could be in big trouble. Luckily, there's only a little discussion going on.
Yo! Hey! It's safer, listen bud, listen, it's safer for me to be here than back there. I got hit in the rear before. Get in the car, I'm telling you bud. Get in that car. Get in that car. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Pull over, we'll fight. Let's go. Let's go, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's. You want to fight me? Come on, let's go. You a badass or what?
All I'm telling you is lane splitting.
No, it's not. It's legal here, but it's safer for me to be in the middle of the lane than this to get hit from the back. Red light, dude. Nobody's there. Who the is on a motorcycle, bro? Chill out. First of all, chill out, bro. It's not a big deal. Was I hurting anyone? Did I make anyone slam on the brakes? Who? Who was around? It'll be on YouTube, this whole thing. Your dumb ass gonna be on YouTube. You're an idiot. So because I did that, you thought it was okay to open your door while I'm on a bike? What if you would have hit me? Fuck your day up. Come on out. Let's go. What, you think what are you gonna do? Pull a knife? You pull a weapon? I got a better one. You wanna do a gunfight? What's that?
You're not supposed to even do that while you're carrying.
I do whatever the I want. It's a free country. Get the here.
There are still too many drivers in traffic who do not know the pass priority rules. This situation sometimes causes accidents and sometimes fights. In this video, the biker whose right of way was taken away shows his anger by punching the vehicle. Later, he regrets punching.
Ты чё, сука, вообще охуел?
Давай, выходи.
Ты кого ударил?
Давай нахуй.
Ты кого ударил, блядь?
Ты какого хуя не пропускаешь?
Ты кого ударил? Вызывай
Педрила,
полицию.
давай.
Вызывай, сука, полицию, я тебе сказал. Пидорас, кого я не пропускаю?
Давай,
Дебил ты тупой, нахуй. Ты как катаешься, блядь? Да, он
Лошара, блядь.
сука. Ты охуел ты, блядь? Ты кого лошарь назвал? Хуесос, блядь. Ты кого ударил, Двила, блядь? Ты какого хуя так себя ведешь, ты гандон ебаный, блядь? Ты чё, ебанутый, блядь? Ты даун, блядь, конченый. Тебе кепку сейчас, сука, сниму и разъебу тебя. Конь педальный, блядь. Уёбище.
Давай, ментов вызывай.
Drivers who just got their license are like a hand grenade with the pin pulled out. You never know when it will hit whom. This biker is pretty unlucky today.
I need your information.
It is normal to have accidents and fights in traffic, but it is interesting that such incidents occur even in a small parking lot. This old man shouldn't have angered a biker.
Dude, what in the world? Are you drunk? What? Said, are you drunk? You just went head on to me in my lane.
Dude, there's no line really back there. I couldn't see.
Do what?
I couldn't hardly see the line.
You can't see?
I couldn't hardly see those lines back there, man.
Dude, I've got diminished eyesight. You need to have your eyes checked, homie.
Driving in the morning is enjoyable and safer, but at night all the drunk people look for a biker to fight. This group of bikers unfortunately falls victim to these old men. The discussion starts from a useless topic and never ends.
Right, you will be banned for life.
For life?
Yes, for life.
It's not in this bit.
The public love it. The public love it.
Yo! What are you taking man's camera? Gee, go fam. What are you doing?
Camera, mate. You're on camera. You're on camera. You're on camera, mate.
Get your
You're
bike.
done.
Oi,
You're
hey,
done. You're
oi,
getting
oi.
sued.
Get your bike and go.
Yeah, we're
Oh, up, bro. What are you doing? Throwing this shit about?
Get on your bike.
We literally were though, and he started grabbing him.
You're on camera.
This is on camera. Everybody just calm down.
Take the piss, bro.
Don't do that.
Excuse me, you shouldn't have been wheeling.
You ain't harming no one.
You shouldn't have been wheeling. It's
We're not
against the
wheeling.
law. Yes, you
What?
are.
What the fuck was that?
It's on camera, remember?
Yeah, it is on camera.
Yeah, you were
You're
wheeling.
Gee, he come off the floor like that. That ain't no wheelie.
Right.
The police will be.
Thank you for watching this far. Friends, if you want more videos, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you again.
Give me my keys. We'll go. Give me my keys.
What is going on? We're trying to leave and man took his keys.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.